Why do you have 666 on your chest?
Because it has BB gonna talk.
Is it even playing?
Yeah. Because I'm evil, baby.
I like evil. Oh. I want to fondle my breast.
Ow! Ow!
You like my booty?
You've got a nice booty.
It's a nice booty.
You like my penis?
I love your booty.
This is like a really bad point.
Oh God. You've got really nice hair. What?
Wait, that's my other face. Get in my good face.
You have a very pretty face.